Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Freelancer. In this video, we're diving into Freelancer.com, a leading global platform connecting businesses with freelance professionals. It's a massive marketplace for a diverse range of skills and industries, making it a valuable resource for both those seeking talent and those offering it. From web development and software engineering to writing, design, and marketing, Freelancer caters to a broad spectrum of project needs. One of Freelancer's biggest strengths is its sheer size. With millions of registered users, the platform boasts a vast talent pool, offering clients access to freelancers with varying levels of expertise, from entry-level to seasoned professionals. Businesses can post projects outlining their specific requirements and receive bids from interested freelancers. This competitive bidding system provides flexibility in pricing and allows businesses to carefully consider the scope and budget of their projects. Beyond traditional project postings, Freelancer also facilitates contests. This unique feature enables businesses to present a project challenge and receive multiple submissions from competing freelancers. This allows clients to review a range of creative solutions and select the best fit for their needs. For freelancers, this provides a platform to showcase their skills and potentially win lucrative projects. From the freelancer's perspective, Freelancer offers a consistent stream of potential work. You can actively bid on projects that align with your skill set, set your own rates, and cultivate a portfolio to demonstrate your capabilities to potential clients. Freelancer also operates a tiered membership system, providing various benefits depending on the subscription level. These benefits can include increased bidding opportunities, access to premium projects, and reduced platform fees. Freelancer operates on a pay-per-project model, with the platform deducting a service fee from the freelancer's earnings upon project completion. This fee typically ranges from 10% to 20% of the project value. A particularly useful feature is the Freelancer mobile app, which allows users to manage projects, communicate with clients, and track milestones conveniently from anywhere. The platform also prioritizes secure payments through milestone-based transactions, protecting both clients and freelancers throughout the project lifecycle. To sum it up, Freelancer is a powerful platform that serves both businesses seeking skilled freelancers and individuals looking for freelance opportunities. Its vast talent pool, flexible project structures, and robust support tools make it a compelling choice for anyone navigating the freelance landscape. Check out the links in the description for more information and don't hesitate to share your own Freelancer experiences in the comments section below.